how to increase Steam download speed. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our search bar and then search for settings. Just click your settings right here. Then once you click your settings, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the network and internet. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click on Wi-Fi. And then after that, just click your Wi-Fi right here. So just click that. And then just scroll down in this part until you see this metered connection. So in this part, to make sure that you turn off the metered connection right here. And then after that, you can reset your computer or laptop. And then the next that we can do is to go here again on the search bar and then search for Task Manager. So just click that Task Manager right here. And then in this part on the network, just click this. And then you will now be able to see all of the programs that are using your network right here. So if you see any program that you're not currently using but using a lot of network right here, so all you have to do is to get rid of it. And then you will see a boost when downloading a game. So once you're now done with this, what we're going to do is to open our Steam app right here. And then once you're now on your Steam, the next thing that we can do here is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the Steam icon. After that, click the settings. And then in this part, just click the downloads. And then in the download region, in this part, you will see a bunch of location. So just choose the location where you are located. So let's say, for example, that you are from Singapore. So just click Singapore right here. And after that, just reboot your computer and laptop once again, and you will see a massive boost in your downloading speed. And then after that, once you've restarted your laptop, if it is still slow, then on this part, you will see this limit download speed. So make sure that you turn that off. After that, on the allow downloads during gameplay, make sure to turn that off. And then for the throttle downloads while streaming, make sure to turn that off. And then you can clear the download cache. After that, just click clear cache right here. And then once again, just restart or reboot your laptop or PC. And then once you download a game once again, your downloading speed should now be boosted. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to increase Steam download speed.